Have you ever found yourself at the end of a puzzle needing to figure out how it started? Or maybe you look at the money you have left and wonder, where did it all begin? This is where you become a math detective. The strategy is called working backwards, and it's your secret weapon for solving mysteries when you only know the final clue. Your main tool is something called an inverse operation. It's a fancy term for the opposite. Every action in math has an opposite that can undo it. Addition's opposite is subtraction. Multiplication's opposite is division. It's like having a rewind button for numbers. If the problem says someone added, you subtract. If they multiplied, you divide. You just retrace the steps, but in reverse. Let's solve a case. I'm thinking of a number. I multiply it by 3, then I add 5. The final result is 26. What was my starting number? To solve this, we start at the end, 26. The very last thing I did was add 5. So you do the opposite, subtract 5. That gets you to 21. Before that, I multiplied by 3. So you do the opposite, divide by 3. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. The mystery number was 7. This isn't just for number puzzles. You need to be at school by 8:30 a.m. If it takes 20 minutes to travel, you work backwards to 8:10. If breakfast takes 15 minutes, you rewind again to 7:55. It's how you plan your morning without causing a disaster. And the best part? You can always prove you're right. Take our answer, 7. Let's work forwards. 7 times 3 is 21. Add 5 and you get 26. It matches. You've cracked the case. So remember, when the beginning is a mystery, start at the end, use the opposite operation for every step, and you'll always find your way back to the start.